Today for the Bitcoin and Cardano price, I have a very important update for every Bitcoin and Cardano holder. Actually, in Bitcoin, I increased my trading size for more than $1 million US, furthermore on the already existing trades. But also for Cardano, I bought $1 million US worth of Cardano. Why did I do so? What is my trading plan for Bitcoin and for Cardano? What are my price targets and much more? I want to be talking about that. So make sure you watch that video until the very end. I am actually going to the airport in a few minutes, but I have to get that video out here before I am going to Dubai. So smash up the like button if you want more of these updates here on the sidelines where I'm showing you my trades, my trading plan, my setups, and of course also fundamentally my expectations for Bitcoin and altcoins like Cardano. Smash it up like right now, and also of course leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. So whenever you are making this noise for the algorithm, whenever you are commenting, sharing the video with your friends, that really supports me. It gives me more impressions from YouTube, and it shows me you want more of these updates on the go as well. So thank you so much for making noise for the algorithm. And of course, guys, watch the video until the very end. If you want to be trading Bitcoin or even Cardano, well, down below I have the exchanges where I'm doing that, and I am adding another $700 US for free as a free bonus. If you use the links down below in the video description and in the pinned comment, you put in your emails and your password after your initial deposit, you get the $700 US for free combined on these exchanges, and you can trade with that free bonus for free and with the profits for free as well as an experienced trader in the pinned comment. Let me talk about what is actually happening for Bitcoin and for Cardano. For Bitcoin, I just have a very quick update. Yesterday, if you missed it, please go over and watch it. It's very important. Here, I was talking about these trend lines. Whenever Bitcoin is breaking out from that, we are building a new trend, and whenever we are breaking below, we are going into the bear market, right? Same thing happens over and over again. Well, right now we are on this trend line again, and we got a perfect bounce over there. So I'm going quickly for this update for Bitcoin. I really want to talk about Cardano right now, guys. So please bear here with me. You can see here for Bitcoin, you have this W pattern, and the W pattern for Bitcoin is actually right now breaking out. And yeah, I traded the breakout. I actually even talked about that over on Twitter. Well, the stop loss should be below the neckline, guys. You know the deal. If this turns out into a fake out, you don't want to be involved. You can go out in a break even, and the take profit is at slightly below the $60,300 US levels. I would take profits before that target. Of course, guys, I am always updating you, and I posted that also over on Twitter. Here, first of all, I traded the breakout, traded the Cardano announcement, and I have actually, this is a $900,000 US position. It's a 30,000 contract position, through $900,000 US. I will talk about that later. Please subscribe to my @MMCrypto channel because I'm giving you Cardano updates, I'm giving you Bitcoin updates, and much more. I also told you I will trade the Bitcoin break of this trend line here. I told it to you before it actually happened, and of course I did so. Everyone who traded either the W breakout or the trend line breakout, well, you are in a severe profit right now, and the likes are telling me, well, you're very happy about that update. So follow me over at ChrisMMCrypto. So now I want to talk about Cardano, because I already teased that here in the introduction of that video, and I really need a barber. Maybe I just need a hairstylist or so, but whatever. Just going to the airport. I want to talk about Cardano. So many weeks ago, I already announced that I added Cardano to my long-term holding position. I actually added more for a very specific reason, and I opened a long trade. And this trade, I wanted to tell you, trading altcoins on leverage, there is probably nothing more dangerous in the world. The upside is absolutely insane. An altcoin doubles quickly. If you have 100%, if you have 10x leverage behind this trade, there are these exchanges where I'm doing that in the pinned comment with this $700 bonus. Well, then you 10x your money. But if an altcoin, and that happens all the time, goes down 10% at a 10x leverage, you lose your position. So this is very important to mention. Cardano is where I'm long-term holding Cardano because of the fundamentals, because of the updates, because of whatever it might be, Shelly and all these updates which are coming. I might do a fully dedicated video about that. That's it. And I don't care there if it goes down 10%, if it goes down 20%. I put in that long position with a huge amount of risk. If I lose it, I do not freaking care. Of course, it's a little bit annoying, but I do not freaking care too much about that. And I did that, but I did that with a very specific reason. And I want to talk about my price target for that as well. So let me go over into the Cardano charts. And here, ladies and gentlemen, and let me know in the comment section down below if you are personally also trading Cardano actually. And let me quickly go over to the weekly chart. I think I gave you a proper disclaimer how risky that can be, right? So I did my job today. If I'm zooming out, this is the weekly chart. I already talked about that yesterday, and something happened since my last announcement. You saw in January 2018, we knocked on the all-time high, then we created that U pattern, and maybe even here a small bull flag or a handle, right? So if Cardano were to break out, and this can take a little bit more time, who knows in the end of the day. If I lose the trade, whatever. I have my long-term holding position on Cardano, and I am banking on that quite severely. Well, but if we are breaking out, my price target was right here. It looks so small, but it is $2.75. This is a double from here. And the question is, why did I actually trade this breakout here? Well, because Cardano dipped above the previous all-time high. Do you see this? This is the weekly candle here. We just dipped above the previous all-time high. Well, we did that before and broke down, but usually we need these double dips above. So let me go over to the hourly candle, to the daily candles. We can get rejected again, but at least this time we are facing here a nice bull flag breakout, which actually would have a price target of way lower, way higher than where we are right now. So if I'm showing you what the target is, and this is the least bullish target of that bull flag breakout. If I'm taking this here as a half staff measurement, just from there, not from the bottom even, then even this is $1.72 for the specific trade. So this is actually what I am personally eyeing. And if we are looking at other altcoins, like for example Ethereum, well, when Ethereum breaks the previous all-time high, let me go over to the weekly candle. Well, usually trading the all-time high for Ethereum is sometimes very dangerous, but if you are trading a very long all-time high from a long time ago, this was the exact same day when Cardano hit the all-time high, January 2018. Well, the last time Ethereum actually went above, you can see that we didn't go back for 3 or 4 weeks, and Ethereum actually pumped 30–40% before we dumped down. So this could lead to, as an indicator also, for Cardano maybe to get a significant pump towards the upside as well. Actually, if you want to trade itself safe, you can wait for the daily close or even for the weekly close above the all-time high at $1.40. But if you already want to scale in at a cheaper price and then add more to the position, this is what you can do as well. But be aware that this is a risky game. The long-term holding for Cardano, much less risky, still risky, but trading Cardano on leverage, well, you are exposing yourself to a big risk. Of course, your upside is insane. If Cardano reaches the price target of $2.75, at 100% profit, at 10x leverage, that's 1,000% profit. So the equity you would put in, you would 10 times that. And I put in like $100K US at a 10x leverage, so like approximately $900,000 US in contract size. So if Cardano would reach the price target, I would make $1 million out of it. But of course, if Cardano goes down 10%, I lose the whole position and I am there to open a new one. This is very important to understand. There are links down below if you want to be trading Cardano as well. Of course, I want to show you here my position as I already promised it. So here you can see my position. I have both positions here actually. The Bitcoin position, you can see that down there. This is an old position. I added another $1 million US to that trade. It is 7 Bitcoin in profit right now. You can see here 480%. But on the top, that's the Cardano position. It's right now 14,000 US in profits. But it can go down to the red very quickly, guys. Don't get me wrong here. 16% in the profit, 30,000 contract size. So this brings it, I think, every contract is like $30 or so. I'm not 100% sure, but approximately that brings it to a $900,000 US contract size here on Cardano. So yeah, it is a risky game. Bitcoin is less a risky game. Of course, I quoted here the last few trades. So if you are joining us there, I saw some comments popping up on the last video already. I'm very happy about that. I think we are the most profitable community in the world. Just judging from the comments when I'm asking you in live videos and you are sharing your profits, I think we have like hundreds of millions of US in combined profits here in the community, and that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, smash the like button. I'm going to the airport right now. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.